it's Alex the Adorable, and welcome to the Brick Corner. Today we're going to be opening and building the Lego City Fire Motorcycle set number 6000 with 40 pieces. So on the front we have a recycling bin on fire with a firefighter coming off of his motorcycle putting it out. And on the back there's some different angles of the set. So now we're going to be opening it and building it. How do we open this? Like this. So now it's time to talk about the set. So I'm imagining the man just got off his motorcycle and is going toward the fire to put it out, and then he's gonna go back on and go back to the fire station. But maybe another fire starts again, and the man is asleep. Another firefighter would probably come to put that out. I think we should talk about the minifigure first. I noticed that his visors can go up and down, and how his extinguisher is two parts, and how his sash has a walkie-talkie on it, and then he has a little vest thing. I don't know what that is, with little pockets, and then on the back he has a logo, and then another part of his sash. So now let's go to the motorcycle. So I noticed how it can move, and then this thing can move around, and then these parts on stop mode and go mode. On this mode, it stays like that. If you want it to stand up, it won't. It'll just go like this. But if it's on stop mode, wrong way. You can make it stop from these things going down, so it'll stay still like that. And then they have the blinkers and the stickers. There are some stickers on the motorcycle, and this sticker has the logo, and then this sticker has the set number 60000, and then it has it on this side too. And that's pretty much it, but the minifigure can put his hands on that. So last but not least, the recycling bin. So I noticed it has a little recycling logo, and then there's a big flame and a little flame. And then if you pull these out, you can put this down like a normal recycling bin. And then we'll put these back in for the set. I'll take this out and put this back in. Good. So then it's just the regular thing for the set. Oops, he took off his helmet. Get out, get out. Ugh, knocked over. Take it. I really like this set a lot because I like this action. I like that you can put this down. I like how he can drive around too, and you can pretend he extinguishes it, and you can put this down again like a normal recycling bin. So this is a really cool set. I love it so much. And so, I mean, it's a link in the description to buy it. So, thanks for watching.